Top 5 supercars in the world. Number 1. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. Maximum speed. Estimated 330 miles per hour, 531 kilometers per hour. Price. Around $3 million. Number 2. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. Maximum speed. 304 miles per hour, 490 kilometers per hour. Price. Around $3.9 million. Number 3. Hennessy Venom F5. Maximum speed. Targeted over 300 miles per hour, 483 kilometers per hour. Price. Around $2.1 million. Number 4. SSC Tuatara. Maximum speed. 295 miles per hour, 475 kilometers per hour. Price. Around $1.9 million. Number 5. Rimac Nevera Electric Hypercar. Maximum speed. 258 miles per hour, 415 kilometers per hour. Price. Around $2.4 million. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe or press bell icon for more information about the world.